How are you?
I am fine.
Hope you watched all the video and you liked it. If you haven't watched the video yet, links are given in the description. Okay, let's start today's lesson, programming with Rey and BB-8. Hey Avnish, what we learned so far in the programming?
Last time we learned drag and drop.
Okay. And in second lesson?
We learned Scrat and Acra.
Okay, we helped Scrat to reach to the ecran by using the block. So which all blocks we used to help Scrat to reach to the ecran?
North, south, west, east, and limit block.
Okay, you even use repeat block. Okay, by using repeat block, if we want to repeat any step, so we in that case we can use the repeat block. Okay, so let's start today's lesson. In today's lesson there are total 12 levels. So today we will finish first 6 level and remaining 6 level we will finish in the next video. So let's start today's lesson. So this is a intro video.
Rey needs BB-8's help. In these puzzles you will program BB-8 using the arrow blocks from the toolbox. BB-8 needs to pick up each piece of scrap metal to finish the puzzle. First, work to find a path for BB-8 that covers all the pieces of scrap metal. Then write the program in your workspace to move BB-8.
So here is the first level. We need to collect the metals. So let's see.
I'm gonna take the repeat block.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna take east.
Okay. How many times you need to repeat this step?
3 times.
Okay. Let's run. Alright, so we completed the puzzle. Let's continue to the next puzzle. So here is the next level. In that we need to collect all the metals, okay, by using the blocks.
I'm
So
gonna take one east
one east,
and another east
okay,
and one south
okay, south,
and another south
one more south, correct,
and east.
okay, east.
And then let's learn the book.
Okay, so we collected all the metals. So let's continue to the next puzzle. Here is the next puzzle. So here also we need to collect all the metals. So Avnish, how are you performing it?
I'm gonna take a repeat
Okay, you're going to use the repeat block. Okay,
and I'm gonna take 2 step
2 step.
east.
Okay,
And again I'm gonna take a repeat.
okay, again you are going to the repeat block. Okay.
Yes. And then I'm gonna put again 2 south.
Okay, 2 steps south.
And then I'm gonna take again a repeat. And then 2 step
Okay,
west.
okay. So let's run it.
I'm gonna run
Alright, so we completed the puzzle 4 and we collected all the metal. So let's continue to the next puzzle. So here is the next puzzle. So this is somewhat tricky. We need to collect all the metals. So I think there are 6 metals. We need to collect that. Let's see how.
I'm gonna take a repeat block
Okay, you are going to do repeat block.
and I'm gonna do 3 step and then east
East.
and south.
Okay.
And then let's run the program.
Alright, so we completed the puzzle. Actually there are different ways to write the programming. So one can use a repeat block, one can directly use the blocks and write that code. So our code should be in minimal lines. Okay, so let's continue to the next puzzle. Here is the next level. So in that also we need to collect all the metals. So
I'm gonna take 1 step south
okay, 1 step south.
and 1 step east
And
and another step east
another step east.
and a third step east.
Okay,
And then one south
one south.
and 2 south.
Okay, so this time you not used any repeat block, you directly use all the blocks. Alright, so we completed the puzzle. So let's move to the next puzzle, which will be the last one. Let's move to the next one. So here is the next puzzle, and which will be last one. Let's see.
I'm gonna take repeat block
Okay, you're going to use the repeat block.
and I'm gonna change the number 2
Mm-hmm.
and then I'm gonna take 1 west,
One east.
1 east, 2 east,
Mm-hmm.
1 south,
Mm-hmm.
and another south.
Okay, so you is 2 east, 2 south. So let's run it. Wow, so we completed the puzzle number 7. So we completed today's lesson, all the today's lesson, and we completed 7 puzzles. So thank you very much.
Like and subscribe. Watch our videos. Bye.
Thank
Don't
you.
forget to click bell icon. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.